guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Asa if you're new, and I'm really glad you stumbled upon this video. So today I'm really excited because I'm doing something a bit new. Summer is right around the corner, so I decided to come to you guys with a few cute hairstyles that you could wear for summer. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and before, if you're not subscribed for some reason, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below before this video starts. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Let's get right into it. So guys, welcome back to another video. I'm really excited about this one, as you could tell probably from the intro. But the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to get rid of this bun. I'm going to be using this, don't judge me guys, this is like, it's like one of the parts of one of my combs. But you know, it works amazingly to part hair, so I always use it. But I'm just basically going to part my hair into a side part because the first hairstyle we're going to be doing is a low bun. Next, you need water, so I'm going to spray my the perimeter of my hair with water. And yeah, I was trying to not get it on my makeup, but that ended up just being a big fail. So yeah, I'm just going to spray the perimeter of my hair with water. And after I sprayed with water, I'm just kind of going to form a low bun at the place, like at the area I want it to sit. And then after that is done, I'm going to just tie my hair for the time being. And after I tie my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and apply my Gorilla Snot gel in my hair, and just I'm gonna actually put a lot of it. So just apply it all over my hair, and then with a bristle, a hard soft bristle brush, I'm just going to smooth everything out. So yeah, just continue watching. It's very simple. And of course, when everything is smoothed out to my liking, I'm just going to take out that hair tie and kind of redo my bun, my low bun. And I'll be brushing my hair again and just keep smoothing it, honestly. So because we don't want no flyaways, I'll be using my edge control and just put that on my edges, but I also put it in my hair. Like, guys, I swear to God, this works amazingly for sleek ponytails, sleek buns, whatever you want. Like, I've been doing this, and honestly, I always love the results. But yeah, I just put that on my edges and a bit in my hair so that I don't have no flyaways or no, you know, stubborn hair. Then using a bandana, I'm just going to tie that around my head, and I'll be waiting a few minutes, just making sure that everything lays flat and smoothly. So while we're waiting, why not utilize this time, you know? So I decided to go ahead and braid my little bun in the back, and this will be important for the next step of this hairstyle. So yeah, I'm just braiding my hair. Now this is the hardest part of this hairstyle, I would say. So if you watched my Faux Locs tutorial, you would see that I use this hair to create my faux locks, my crochet faux locks. So this is basically the same type of hair. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take an elastic band. Obviously this elastic band broke. I'm just going to put all the hairs, as many as I want. You know, you can put as many as you want, however thick you want your hair. And yeah, I'm just going to brush it out and continue brushing it out until it's completely separated. Then I'll take that elastic and just basically roll it around that braid I created. So yeah, I'm just going to keep tying it around the braid until there's pretty much like not that much left of the elastic, and then I'll tie a small knot. And once that is done, I'll go ahead and kind of flip the hair and twist it around the hair so that we don't see the braid. You'll see what I mean as I keep going. So yeah, this is where I do it. I'm kind of twisting the braid or the hair around the elastic band just so it covers the braid. And then I'll take an extra piece and just go around my the perimeter of that elastic band so that you can't see it. So this is basically look number 1, guys, a low ponytail. So moving on to look number 2, this is actually very simple. I'm just going to take the hair and basically like twist it around and create a low bun. It's honestly like so simple to transition from look number 1 to look number 2. So yeah, this is the second hairstyle. Moving on to hairstyle number 3, it's really simple too. I'm just going to take that bun out, and once that is basically unraveled, I'm just going to start braiding the hair. And I think everybody likes braids regardless of if it's summer or winter. I feel like it's such an easy hairstyle. So yeah, I'm just braiding this hair, and if you want to, you can add some jewelry. I didn't want to because I didn't feel like it would go well with this hairstyle, but you have the option to if you want to. Okay, so now for hairstyle number 3, I took all of that out, or actually this is hairstyle number 4, sorry. I'm probably gonna mess up like 100 times, but yeah, I'm just basically brushing my hair out and taking out that part. And I'm gonna be using a big elastic band and basically just putting my hair into a bun. So yeah, I'm gonna slide the elastic band up and just twist it around my hair and get it as tight as possible because I want it to be like sleek as possible. So now I'm going to be doing the same thing, and I'm just going to be braiding my hair and putting that hair in a braid so that it's easier to do the next part of this hairstyle. Now using the same hair, I am going to go ahead and do the exact same thing as I did for the low bun, but this time it's like a higher bun. So yeah, I'm just twisting it around until I no longer have that much of the hair tie left or the elastic band left. And yeah, I'm gonna continue doing this, and then I'm gonna wrap my hair around the braid and just do the exact same thing. And honestly guys, I didn't realize like that this would take so much time. My arms were like burning just from doing that. But yeah, for those of you wondering, the braid didn't stay like that. Don't worry, because I know it was sticking out and it looked kind of weird, but I fixed it by just playing around with it, you know. You have to play around with it and see how you like it and like what it looks like or like what you want it to look like basically, and it's gonna lay the way you want it to. So then yeah, I'm gonna go back with that edge control and just fix my edges a little bit because I wanted them to lay a little different with this hairstyle. And then of course I'm gonna go ahead, put my bandana on for a few minutes again, and just wait for my hair to lay a little bit. So next we're moving on to hairstyle number 5, I believe. And this is really easy. I'm just taking the hair, twisting it around into a bun. And yeah, this is like such an easy transition, I swear guys. And yeah, I'm just going to fluff it out. Also, if you want to spice up this look, you can add a little bit of like gold jewelry. So next what we are going to do is take that same tool you're using to basically part your hair, and now you're going to want to part it in zigzag. And yeah, I was actually really surprised because I managed to do the back better than the front. Like, how does that work, guys? Can somebody please tell me, because I don't understand. Now I'm just going to go back and add some more of that Gorilla Snot gel, just because I wanted obviously the middle to lay better. And yeah, I'm going to add a lot and use my bristle brush to kind of smooth it out. And I'm also going to add more edge control, but I'm going to put those parts into 2 little puffs, I guess, or space buns, however you want to call them, but that's basically what we're doing in this. And of course, like most of these hairstyles, I'm gonna go ahead and braid down those 2 parts, and just make sure that they're equal before I do that, because you don't want to mess up. But yeah, I'm going to braid them down. So for this hairstyle, obviously you'll need 2 parts of the hair, but I'm basically doing the exact same thing, guys, just twisting the elastic band around my braid. And then after that, once that is done and that is tied, I'm just going to shift the hair over the braid so that it hides it. And I'm going to do the same thing on both sides. Now, looking back at these clips, I do see that one side kind of looks smaller than the other, but don't come for me, guys. So personally, I feel like I probably wouldn't wear this hairstyle unless I'm going to like a festival. I feel like it's a really cute festival look, and especially in the summer, girls, you need this look, okay? So lastly, this is another very simple look to transition. We're just gonna create 2 little space buns, and this is so cute, especially like, for the summer, you're going to this festival, you're going to this event. This is like really, really cute. So yeah, I'm just going to create 2 space buns, and you can either wear them like this or if you want to, you can put some jewelry on it, and you know, it looks really cute. So we finally reached the end of the video. If you've made it this far, guys, thank you so much. You're the real MVP. But yeah, I hope you guys like these hairstyles. Let me know down below which one is your favorite. So we've come to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I decided to be a little creative with this one because, you know, I just wanted to do something a bit fun. Like I said, summer's right around the corner, so why not? And yeah, I just achieved all these hairstyles using these crochet braids, and I'm really proud of myself. Like I really like, especially this one. I really like how it turned out, and I don't know, I might actually wear this like really often, especially during the summer. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to, of course, like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, follow us on social media. And of course, comment down below if you want to see more hair tutorials, because I really miss like experimenting with my natural hair and trying new things. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
What else? Your body will kill me. Now, up in every palm, baby. Ram town. Now.